God save the Queen, because she's the only one that can save me now.
God save our gracious Queen. Long live our noble Queen. God save our Queen. Send her victorious, happy and glorious, long to reign over us. God save our Queen. You are my best friend. I don't ever want our friendship to run. Lion and Lioness viewers and subscribers, you are a heaven sent. You are the reason I am vlogging again. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, God save our Queen. Words from Aditya Palmer, Vybz Kartel. Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, I know it's another vlog. I'm going to do it when I boast now, brag. Right now, Vybz Kartel exclusive interview on Fox 5. Zine, over 10 years people have been waiting for this. You don't know, my viewers and subscribers, after the break.
If you're having suicidal thoughts, try ignore that. There are people out there worse than you. Did you know that? Your claims that people are what? Chat, judge and criticize you. So what?
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. I don't know, that's my single called Battlefield. If you're having suicidal thought, try ignore that. See? Yeah, because remember, there's people out there worse than you. That if you know that. See? No more viewers and subscribers. Vybz Kartel in a prison, and enough man couldn't hold it so long, you know. Maybe they made them mad already and take them own life. And we know enough people will do that. Right across the globe and the world. See, so big up Vybz Kartel. Big up all of the Gaza nation. We know the whole of them chuff right now, happy, over the moon for you, the Gaza boss, Vice. You see me, everybody feeling nice. See, yeah, but fun and joke aside, Kartel did his interview and gone viral again. Big up Sarah Evers, you see me? Yeah, Fox 5, and big up his Vybz Kartel liar, Buchanan. He look like he's pulling strings and he's doing greatness. Zine? So Vybz Kartel sound happy and optimistic, upbeat. You know what I mean? Looking forward to the verdict, you know, to hear the answer. You see me? And God save our Queen. I don't know whether in London or if I respect the Queen, because the Queen make there, even though I'm part of Jamaica same way and we say freedom and independence, you know what I mean? It still not feel that way because them not accept us at all in certain ways. Zine? Yeah, but Vybz Kartel interview part 1, so look out for part few. Zine? Yeah, so I'm talking a lot of stuff. I don't know if I want to hear the interview, we hear him voice already, but I don't feel like I put the interview up on the channel because I know we do the thing different, you know? So gone viral already, everybody have it out upon them platform, you see me? So I just have a talk. So big up all the Gaza fans them. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe and click the bell, please. Yeah, the more you like it and the more YouTube put it out, they make people cite it. You see me? And the channel can grow. Yeah, I don't know Lion Foot. And your support is highly appreciated. My viewers and subscribers. See? So yeah man, God save our Queen. See? So I don't know, Vybz Kartel, he talked a lot of stuff. Like questions were asked and he answered, you know. You see me, him say God save the Queen, is it? So first, you know, Sarah asked him, oh, what's the prison like? He give a description of the prison. So him say it's dark, it's hot, it has like 3 or 4 bunk beds. It's got a toilet in the corner. It's got a huge grill. Lots of metal, it's like a dungeon. But instead of being in the cellar, it's in the attic. I'm actually in the road. Zine Kartel I'm in the attic. You hear that 4 bunk bed, toilet. Imagine if a man want to go write a post a letter. When we suppose a letter we mean poo, you know. Suppose a man go ride it all, you know, Lord God is sent. You see me? Prison are nice. When you hear that, youth, stay away from prison. You see me? The next question he was asked, because him say he was sick, you know, and he was sick for a while, for a few years actually. So definitely he's in good health, recovering in good health, you know what I mean, but mentally he's always been strong, you know what I mean, and his mind is in a good place because he knows he's innocent and I know I'm coming out. So yeah, he was asked the next question and he said, yes, of course, I believe that. And to be totally honest, the system really wanted me thrown away. You know, it was said it's never about Adidja Palmer, it was more about Vybz Kartel. And he was charged for murder. It wasn't about getting rid of, you know, Adidja Palmer. They just want to get rid of Vybz Kartel. Next question was asked, and Sarah asked him how him know about that, you know, how him certain and know. That's why he said, yeah, because they told us, you know, and them said, remember when my mother they did have the feud, they called him into the Prime Minister's King's House apartment, you see me, and they said they have too much influence. And if they don't behave themselves, they're not going to get no permission to do no shows and so forth. So him said that, him know say that's one of the reasons they want to sink him. Because he has a high influence in Movado. You see me? And so you feel like that's why Movado run and nobody look back at Jamaica cars. Maybe me don't fall into that category as well. You see me? So that Vybz Kartel basically I say. You see me? He was asked the next question. You see me? And he said, that's a good question. That's what I say. I'm mentally in a better place because I read a lot. So Sarah asked him how him get to write so many songs over the 10 years him there. Just keep putting out songs on the album. You see me? And say, you know, his mind is in a mental place, and because him read a lot, you know, him write a lot, and he watch movies, he's him listen to music, and he's met some nice people who are very friendly and they can talk about life related matters, you know. So that keep him going. You see me? He also said he writes a lot of songs. You know, he can't even count because he writes so many songs and not true, man. I don't know how he do it. You see me? At one point, you know, he said he's sending out like 3 to 4 books. Each month, he must send out 3 to 4 books full of songs, and him no longer get to sing some of them even throughout his life. But him just write because and that keep him positive inside, incarcerated. You see me? Yeah, so, yeah, man. And him say, yo, basically, he's just thinking about going home now, you know, because everything is drawing to a close. You know, so I'm not really worried about about his health, you know what I mean? I'm doing much better, you know, so it's all good. See, I'm not worried about him health. You know, he said that he was sick for a few years. I don't know what the sickness was or why, you see me? So if anybody know, put it in the comment section, let me know, you see me? So yeah, man, the cartel say, yo, not worry about nothing, you know, just wait for the day to come, to get free up. Free up, so you see me?
Babylon say jail for me, baby judge say bail for me. Somebody tell the jury, Jah control me destiny.
Babylon say jail for me, you see me? Yeah, so basically, Vybz Kartel, it was a nice interview, 4 minutes long, you see me? And they said they're gonna put out the next part 2, maybe tomorrow, so later on in the week or so. Where my bash the government says, she said him go all out in the second part of the interview, so yeah, wait for you. When you feel like the government, the police are sweating at them pants now, and you see me? But they don't know, as me say, innocent until proven guilty, and guilty until proven innocent. And we wish him the best, wish Vybz Kartel the best, and hopefully him come on the road and can go with his family, you know what I mean? And I don't know why, we don't know if I say, but that's all I say, you see me? God save our gracious Queen. Long live our noble Queen. God save our Queen. Send her victorious. Yes. Pick up the Queen. God save our Queen. You see? If Kartel ever, what if Kartel know the anthem? If you see Kartel never sing that at the interview, remember me tell everything seal. You see me? Long to reign over us, God save our Queen. Yeah, man. God save our Queen. You don't know, we still now look over national anthem. Eternal Father, bless our land. You don't know a lion foot and a mouth. My viewers and subscribers, all the best with Kartel. Big up the Gaza Nation. Big up each and every one. You don't know. Let me know what you think in the comment section. You don't know what I love. I'm gone. My voice kind of crack up, you know. You see me? But big up on yourself. I'm feeling great, great. From the very first day that we met, I'm feeling great, great. I can't explain the feelings I get. I'm feeling great, great. My mood to vlog you invigorate. I'm feeling great, great. Thank you for restoring my faith. I love her now.
Make sure you get subscribers and click the bell.
And make sure you get a bus pass like this.